Hey guys, this is my Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner. I have it in the shade Black. So this is one of my favorite magnetic style lash liners. I've used a few before. Some of them don't end up being dark enough or just don't apply smoothly. So you can see this is instantly visible, just like a normal good eyeliner would be. So very much comparable liner wise, but then glue wise, this one is nice and sticky. It doesn't crumble or anything. It just looks like I'm wearing a normal eyeliner. So I am obsessed with this one. Plus I have super sensitive eyes and I can wear this one no problem. I haven't had any irritation. It is wind resistant. I haven't had any issues with smudging, and it is dermatologically tested and has no petrochemicals or parabens or anything. So that might have to do with me being able to handle these ones. You can get a nice fine little wing at the corner and it just works well with the lashes itself. So nice fine end on there. I sometimes give it just like a little squeeze with my eyelashes with my curler as well, if I want to get like a little extra lift or anything. And you can see these are the results. It looks great. If you want to make it more evening, you could add more liner as well. Really love them. Check it out.